Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a very low mileage, very clean 2012 Chevy Impala LT. Stock number X461A. Only 27,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Impala brand new, Victory Red in color. This Impala seats 5, cloth interior, extremely clean inside and out. This Impala has the flip and fold seat feature. Seat bottom flips forward, giving you hooks perfect for plastic grocery bags. Everything's covered in hard plastic, makes it very easy to clean if it gets wet or dirty. Split seat back then folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body is free of dents or dings. This Impala has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, moonroof. Large. Again, only 27,000 miles. Temperature and compass display in the dash, tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual zone temperature control, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, and a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 300 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.